Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. Last year, we have seen DeepSeek starting to put pressure on the US AI market by releasing a paper that have changed the mind on Chinese AI for the entire world. During the year, we have seen more Chinese companies and labs releasing their own models. Alibaba as well is like Google having their own cloud infrastructure. So like every big machine, it takes time, but when it starts, not many can stop those. Talking about Google, as expected last year, they ramped up, becoming more and more aggressive, but you have the feeling that they still been holding on a bit to not crush the American competition like OpenAI, maybe some political diplomacy. But this year, I don't see any other company other than Google in the US winning more market share in the AI sphere. It is like in soccer, bigger teams start the season slow, but after crush everyone else. Google has the data, engineers, cloud infrastructures. How are you gonna do if they just put all for free or increase free tier so that nobody can compete anymore? Gemini class of models and Nano Banana, for example, those are what they can do when they are nice. But this year, I see Google more aggressive, providing full ecosystems, making people abandon their OpenAI subscriptions. OpenAI is the best, but some commercial practices and rate limits are getting annoying. Anthropic is the one that scares me the most. I think those are the best at marketing. They can release a new grammar word and it will spread around the world as a new concept or discovery. I do not know how they do that. Claude from Anthropic and the models are the best to create virtual engineers. Aren't they the best AI agents for professionals? Hooks, skills, MCPs, sub-agents, you name it. Whichever new naming comes from this company is amazing and well thought. Anthropic should be studied at universities. The only thing is that you need a lot of money to enjoy the best. That is why I try to focus on local LLMs and have been enjoying testing using Grok Cerebras for amazingly fast inferences, or Ollama LM Studio Llama CPP for local only no internet, very private LLM use. I know how to use Kubernetes and Docker in general. Running locally, you can build your own systems. But nothing is perfect, as you always find, even locally, some issues, especially with the compute power that you can have under your hands. You need to buy GPUs, and it is costly as well. RAM also is becoming expensive. You see the circle? So you are back and paying the bigger providers with the best models to get rid of the hassle of getting those compute parts, of buying those, getting the supply. Now, it would be nice to have some new poles. China is one already, but where is Mistral? Where is Europe? You have no choice in Europe other than Mistral. They've been copied, I believe, as the mixture of expert architecture is from them, and some of the best Chinese models are using that with amazing performances. I do not want to tell you what to choose, but just talk about the market, the dilemma. In a mix, in my opinion, would be the best. So just mixing with some very specific force fine-tuning. So you're gonna make fine-tuning with mini models, for example, to run those locally, easily. Help me think about it, comment. What do you think? What is in your head? What do you use? How do you use it? Share your thought. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. See you next time.